All right, so one of the best parts about USBCs is that they do have a bunch of, side small events here, like the one at the Orleans this year. They're hosting the Bowler's Journal, which is a tournament that we always come out and bowl. You can win a bunch of money. I think it's usually around close to $10,000 for first. Some years a little less, some years a little more. But it's another tournament you can come, warm up is what we kind of use it as. I know we're going to come back tomorrow, probably Mitch, myself, Chris, basically the guys from our team, but it's a good warm-up on the doubles and singles pattern from the previous years. So we're coming here to bowl. I'm bowling with Mike Dole this set, and hopefully it goes well. This is Mike's favorite center, the Orleans.
Generally, yeah.
Yeah, so we just got done bowling the Bowler's Journal. We shot 1470. Nice to meet you. 1470 for sure. 1370, which was probably cashing, probably.
Yes.
I shot 730-ish. Mike shot 630-ish. And yeah, so decent. Probably come back and bowl again with a couple different doubles partners and see if we can get our name on the cashing board.
Hey guys, so we're here at the Orleans and we were waiting on our BJ squad, so we were gonna go get a hot dog and just kind of relax and wait and see if we were gonna get into the squad or not. Well, Mitch wanted to gamble a little bit.
Because the hot dog stand was closed.
The hot dog stand was closed. So
bad mood.
Yeah,
We're
bad
all
mood.
pissed.
We're like, we'll throw $20 a piece into a slot machine. And Mitch, I told him to go full spin, $5, whatever. He hit the button for 80 cents on the spin, didn't get anything. And I was like, no, you got to hit the $5. So I hit the $5 and then we hit 40 free spins and cashed out for $2,400.
Luckiest guy I know.
So, yeah.
Chris.
Mood turned around.
Right there. Bad at the BTM, great on the slot machine.
Yeah. I'm no longer a bowler. I'm a professional slot
We
player.
already cashed this week.
Yeah, already cashed.
Trips paid for.
Trips paid for. Yeah. Good job.
Perfect. All right, we got done bowling the BJ like 3 hours ago, but here's our late recap with Colton. Colton, almost top 10 Rossetti.
Almost 6 foot Rossetti. Just kidding. Not even 5'5".
This is our BJ recap. 3 hours late before Mitch goes. Basically, we all bowled well. Mitch freaked out, and now he's about to get in the car. So yeah.
Ask him about his water bottles.
All right, so that last tournament was the Bowler's Journal. This tournament is the Bowling This Month tournament, also known as the BTM. Much like the Bowler's Journal, you can bowl doubles during your singles squad. It's a 3-game set. However, the Bowler's Journal, you bowl on the doubles and singles pattern. The BTM, you bowl on something a little harder. It's been hard in the past. Continues to stay hard. The scores are lower than they usually are. So we'll just go bowling, kind of see what happens. But I'm expecting, hopefully some clean games and some good shot making, because I know that they are definitely going to be challenging.
Khaki has informed me that this shot is going to be sick, so we're going to see how he can perform under the pressure.
Khaki, let's see what you got. Ten back.
Purple hammer time, baby.
All right, that was day 1 and 2 of competition for me. It's really day 1 and 2 of the warm-ups. It was day 1 for most of the guys, so let's just call it day 1 of competition for the group. But yeah, some good side events, between the Bowler's Journal. I shot 750 the second time I went, 730 the first time I went with Mike. Put up some decent doubles sets, I think just outside the top 10 in doubles, just inside the top 10 with that 750 in singles. Thinking I'm going to try and bowl again, but I'm not sure there are any more squads left. So make sure you get signed up online. That was a mistake our group made. So make sure you get signed up online. And yeah, bowl some of these events when you go out to nationals. The Bowler's Journal and the BTM are both great tournaments, a little bit different in their own. The BTM's challenging, like very challenging in my mind. And the Bowler's Journal tends to be on the easier side, and it really just is the doubles and singles pattern. So it's a great warm-up if you want to go out with your team or even just your doubles partner and go get some warm-up in, try and break the lanes down and see how you can try and attack the lanes during doubles. So yeah, thanks for watching. That was day 1 of competition, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.